Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you actually want to go ahead and find your phone contacts on Instagram. Now, luckily for you, it's a pretty easy process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your actual Instagram application just like this. And when you do that, you want to go ahead and click on the bottom right corner to get into your profile icon. Now, when you do this, you're pretty much almost done. You'll see a couple of different tabs that come up. You'll see a couple of different tabs that come up. You'll see your icon up here for your profile. You'll see your edit profile, whatever. But right here, you will see discover people. Now what this is, it'll go ahead and show you a bunch of different people that come up. Usually they're celebrities, unless you follow a bunch of your friends and stuff, then it'll go and come up with a bunch of other people. But right there, you will see a see all option. What you want to do is you want to click on see all and you will get into a little prompt right there. Now, what you want to do here, up top, it'll say connect contacts. Now, sometimes you may also see a little thing that says, that just prompts up and it'll tell you to go ahead and enable contacts as well. And all you have to do is go ahead and click connect. So you want to click here, you want to go and click connect right there. You get into this prompt and all you have to do is go and click continue and you'll get into this little prompt that comes up. So when you see this, it says Instagram would like to access your contacts. You want to click OK. Now, here's the thing. If you don't want people to actually find yourself on Instagram via your phone number or anything, then I probably wouldn't recommend doing this. Also, if you want to keep yourself private, I probably wouldn't recommend doing this either. If you're planning on just following a bunch of your contacts at one time, Instagram may actually ban your account too. That's another thing that happens. So I would recommend being a little careful. But as long as you understand those things, go ahead and click OK, and you should be good to go. You'll see a whole list of people that you follow and the contacts as well from your Instagram account. And that's pretty much it. You can go through and follow everyone that comes up. And that is pretty much all you have to do. It's a very basic process, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.